So in this video today, it's an important video because we're going to start evaluating different softwares. Now I'm going to compare two softwares, ConvertKit, which is now called Kit, versus ConvertKit versus System.io. ConvertKit, these are the prices. So just for a basic newsletter, okay, with these three things, one email sequence, which is not enough, one basic visual automation, basic, one user, $0 a month, and up to 10,000 subscribers. Not bad for a beginner. Then you got the medium plan, which I recommend most people have. Then you got this plan. So I want you to click on the link below in the lesson, check out what ConvertKit offers and what you can do with it. They've got a big community. They've been around for a while. They're known for being user-friendly, and you have the ability to create landing pages. Now, if you don't know what a landing page is yet, it's a page. All right, on a web page, you create a web page, a pretty little web page where you're pitching something. It could be a free workout plan, it could be a checklist, it could be a resource to help somebody out. It could even be, hey, join my newsletter community to keep learning. Whatever the case is, right? It's a landing page with one particular call to action. So with ConvertKit, you can create landing pages and do email marketing. This has been created for creators who simply want to grow their email list. Maybe you want to create digital products on a platform like Canva where you can design checklists, to-do lists, templates, PDFs, whatever you want. And you want to create your landing pages here to pitch it to people, get them to sign up and do the email marketing through Kit. Then ConvertKit is a fine option for you. But if you're looking to set yourself up with a system that can create courses, where you can create courses over there, well, then you'll need something similar to System.io or GoHighLevel, which I use. GoHighLevel is expensive. It's around $150 AUD a month. US is about $99. But System.io, they've even got a free plan, and they let you build 3 basic sales funnels over there. What is a sales funnel? So on System.io, not only can you create a landing page to pitch what it is that you're offering, maybe it's your course, maybe it's your lead magnet, maybe it's your template, maybe it's your visual product that you're selling. Who knows? You can create the landing pages on System.io, then you can create a sales funnel. That means you can get the system to tag the person as soon as they join your list. You can tag them, such as if you are offering a free workout plan, you can tell the system, hey, tag this person as join the free workout plan list. So they joined the free workout plan list. Then you can create a sales funnel that automatically sends them out an email, delivers the good, and in that email flow that you have, you set up a welcome email flow, email 1, 2, 3, 4. You can program the system to send them out emails how many days apart you want. Day 1, send them the first email. Day 3, send them another email. Day 7, send them a reminder email. That's a sales funnel, okay? Having a funnel set up that operates based on automation and does the things that you tell it to do. But with Kit, you don't really have a sales funnel. You can set up an email marketing flow like that, but you don't get the features that System.io will give to you. Now let's go to System.io. Give me System.io. Okay. Google.com. Hackers are trying to steal my content. System.io. Let's go to System.io. Very affordable, and they offer a 60% commission. So if you're looking to start promoting an affiliate program, this is the one. Some people are making $20,000, $30,000 a month, but they're digital marketers or they're in the small business niche, and they're constantly offering System.io to their social media followers, to their clients, whatever else. Great commission rate. You don't even need to sign up and be a member in order to get into their affiliate program. So add this to your stack if you're into affiliate marketing. Now, let's see the pricing. You got a free plan up to 2,000 contacts as opposed to Kit that gave you 10,000 contacts. Emails, unlimited emails you can send to them. Sales funnel, 3 basic sales funnels. Sales funnel steps, you can add 15 different sales funnel steps in each funnel. I don't know what that means because I use GoHighLevel. I'm assuming that you can have various steps such as send an SMS, send an email, add them to this list, their steps. Blog posts unlimited. Wow, you can also build a website and have blog posts with System.io. So you can build a website with System.io. That's great because remember with Beacons, you can build a website, but it's not good for SEO in order to get yourself up in the Google search rankings. They don't even allow you to add Google Tag Manager, which is needed for those of you who want to do Google paid advertising campaigns later on. Who would want to do Google Ads? Maybe a service-based business. Maybe you're a digital marketing agency. Maybe you're a trades business. Maybe you're a beauty business, and you do want to run Google Ads. So with Beacons, you're not going to be able to run Google Ads. So courses, you get one course on this plan. That's friggin' fantastic. You know, if I was on this, I'd save $150 a month, but I needed multiple courses. Communities, you get one community. It's awesome. Mate, it's great. So I'd go for System.io if I was you. It's more of a steep learning curve, but I might have somebody in the community who can help you set things up, or maybe I'll create a simple funnel for you guys, a template. We'll see. So you got to sit down and compare the two. What are your needs? Are you ever wanting to create your own communities, paid communities, courses? Do you want to be able to have the ability to create sales funnels, automations, and learn that because it'll always help you increase average order value, increase sales as a skill that you want to have in your business? If the answer is yes, go with System.io. If you want something piss easy for now, just to start affiliate marketing, okay, grow your email list, create a few lead magnets, and you're good enough with that, then go with ConvertKit. Thousands of people around the world use ConvertKit, so don't let me scare you off it. So do a little bit of reviews, and I will try to put a comparison video in our community. If not, get on YouTube, do a comparison video. And last but not least, if you just want a link in bio, strategy number one for those of you who just want to do affiliate marketing, you don't want to build a simple affiliate funnel yet, which I don't recommend. I recommend you do build your email list. But if you don't want to do that, use beacons. And I showed you beacons in a previous video in the affiliate marketing course. Any questions, drop it in the community. Now, hold on a second. I mean, System.io, it's not that hard if you ask me. It could be if you're completely new, but guess what? 1 or 2 weeks, apply yourself, maybe even 3 days straight, and you'll get the gist of things. They got a Facebook community. They got lots of videos on YouTube. Now you can sell something. You can. I went to the automations or websites. I clicked down the funnels. Now it tells you to put a name in. Do you just want to build a funnel where you're focused on building an audience, or are you trying to sell a product or a service, or are you trying to create a custom funnel? Or are you trying to run an evergreen webinar? Maybe you're a consultant or a coach and you're trying to run a webinar that plays 24/7, educates people, and gets them to take a certain action after the webinar, such as sign up for a course or booking for a strategy call. You can do all that with System.io. How fantastic is that? Then you choose your currency, Australian dollar. Let's just say we want to, what do you guys want to do? We want to build an audience. Okay, build audience. Now, it's going to save. Let's click here. Now, I believe there's a few different places you gotta build things in System.io. So first of all, squeeze page. What's a squeeze page? A squeeze page is a landing page. It's one page to squeeze information out of somebody. So you're pitching them an offer, then you're collecting name and email and getting them into your ecosystem, your email list. So select whatever design you want from here. Once you select your design, you can customize it. How easy is that? Drag and drop and put your video, whatever. There's also templates online that you can find for free. Now, then once you've designed your squeeze page, you're going to confirm your thank you page. What kind of thank you page do you want? And on the thank you page, what do you want them to do? Do you want the thank you page to have your Instagram handle, your YouTube channel? Do you want to include a button that says download your free resource now? Inactive page. Okay, so you can add multiple extra steps here, but this is what you need. Simple. What you need to grow an audience. Landing page, squeeze page, thank you page. They make it easy for you. And then once done, you go to your funnel settings. I don't know what that is, marketplace offer. You'll have to go have a look, and just get familiar with all of these. Now let's go to newsletters, campaigns. You can send casual campaigns to your email subscribers. So you can create automated campaigns. So you create automated email flows here, casual email broadcasts here, automations, rules, workflows, set up some rules. What happens when someone takes this action? For example, if you buy my Decode Your Niche course, if you get access, I might want to move you. I want to tag you automatically. I want to set a rule to tag you automatically as a subscriber to my weekly phone calls, right? Or maybe I want to add a rule to add you to my free community. Okay, so products, physical products, orders, coupons. You can create coupon codes. You can create courses here. You can create your own community. It's not hard, guys. So I want to know what software you're going to pick and post it in the Creators Who Monetize community so I can hear all about it. And then move on to the next lesson where we might be reviewing another software. Bye, guys.